In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your search history on LinkedIn. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. To start, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn homepage. You can do this by simply opening your web browser, typing in linkedin.com, and hitting enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll need to log into your account. If you're already signed in, that's great. If not, you can use your Google or Microsoft account for a quick sign-in or manually enter your email address and password. Just make sure you're entering your credentials correctly to avoid any login issues. If your account has two-factor authentication enabled, a security feature that I highly recommend for protecting your personal information, you might be prompted to verify your identity. LinkedIn will send a code to your registered phone number, and you'll need to enter this code to proceed. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account, keeping it safe from unauthorized access. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to finding your search history. Direct your attention to the search bar located at the top of the LinkedIn page. Click on this search bar. As you do so, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. This drop-down will display a list of your recent searches. It's a handy feature for keeping track of previous lookups and ensuring you can quickly access them if needed. For a more comprehensive view, look for the option that says See All. Clicking on this will provide you with a complete list of your searches over the past few days. This list is an excellent tool for reflecting on your activity and understanding your search behavior on the platform. If you decide you want to clear your search history, LinkedIn offers a simple way to do that. To the right of recent searches, you'll find an option labeled Clear. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm your action. If you're sure about removing your search history, go ahead and click Clear History. This action will erase the list and help you maintain privacy regarding your search activities. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and managed your LinkedIn search history. Regularly checking and clearing your history can enhance your account's privacy and organization. By following these simple steps, you can easily manage your search activities on LinkedIn, ensuring your online experience is streamlined and secure. Remember, keeping track of your search history not only helps you reflect on your activities but also boosts your overall privacy. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.